Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the fascinating world of the present continuous tense. If you're learning English, mastering this tense is essential for sounding like a native. Let's break it down and put it into action with some real life examples. So, what is the present continuous tense? It's used to describe actions that are happening right now or around the moment of speaking. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. The formula? Subject plus am slash is slash are plus verbing. Simple, right? Let's jump into our first example. Imagine you're in a park and you see someone jogging. How would you describe it using the present continuous tense? You'd say, he is jogging. Here, he is the subject. Is helps us link to the verb, and jogging is our main verb in the ing form. Now, picture this. You and your friends are at a cafe. Everyone's having a great time. In present continuous, you'd say, we are laughing and talking. It's the same structure. We is the subject. Are is our linking helper. And both laughing and talking are verbs with. See how the present continuous can paint a vivid picture of ongoing actions? It's all about adding that dynamic flair to your conversations. Now, I challenge you to try forming a sentence in the present continuous tense. Look around you. What do you see happening? Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and you'll be using the present continuous like a pro in no time. Catch you in the next lesson. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational content.